In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So firstly, go into your Roblox app right here as you can see, and then you're just going to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And then you should now be taken to this page right here. And in here, scroll down and click on settings right here. So the first thing we need to do is to click on account info right here as you can see, so click right here. And now you need to scroll down and you need to verify your age. So you can see use ID to verify your birthday. I had this option before also to use selfie, so I had to take a selfie to verify my age. So if you have that option, you can just click on it as well, but you need to firstly verify your age before you can fix this problem. And now when you have done so, then go back to this page right here on your settings and click on privacy and content restrictions right here. And then click on communication and click on voice chat. And this one needs to be enabled. I'm just going to disable it real quick, but just enable this one right here, click right here, and then click on enable. And that is basically exactly how to fix this problem.